Myntri ka Tnad Koit ka Khiah ka jala u James speaking sangma. Ula Plie ya ka cancer wing ha civil hospital Shillong kabala senyang da ka Department of Atomic Energy but ula Plie ru ya ka Khiah mission cancer prevention and early detection. Haba kedau ba ka jing sumar ya ka jing pang cancer kalong ka ba shimpor usang ma ula ong badan kam ya ka rukom tre kam ka ba kerpang bat ka jing man ra ya ka first cancer care lani ka FCC kalong man lap kloy ya ka ni ka jing pang bat ban a ya ka jing sumar ka ba biang ka ba la banyarap ya ki ba shakta bat ka ni kan pelaj im ya ki ba bun.
Cancer is something we all know that we can just imagine someone going and with a small problem and being told by the doctor after proper diagnostics that he has been diagnosed with cancer. It's literally like a death sentence for so many people. It just, suddenly the world is very, very different. The kind of the morale that comes down and the kind of sadness that seeps into any individual who has to unfortunately be told that he's been diagnosed with cancer. That is why I think that this disease, which has been so dreaded, this needs a special focus. This needs not just treatment and care, as Mr. Sampath was mentioning, but we need to move towards the preventive side of cancer. And there is a lot of science which is working towards how we can prevent cancer in the future. And let me assure everyone, the citizens of our state, that we as a government, we are wanting to take the bull by its horn here. And we want to really not just treat cancer, but also move towards how we can prevent this dreaded disease.